Welcome to Deepthi Analytics. Power BI made simple. Let's master data together. Learn how to share your Power BI report in just a few simple steps. First, open Power BI service and go to your workspace. Select the report you want to share. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the users. Choose the permission level, view only or allow reshare. Make sure both users have a Pro license, or the report is in a Premium Workspace. You can also copy the link and send it through email or Microsoft Teams. And that's how you share your Power BI report quickly and securely. What is embedded license in Power BI? Power BI Embedded allows you to embed PBI reports and dashboards directly into your own applications or websites. Instead of users logging into Power BI service, they can view reports inside your app seamless. It is mainly used by software companies and developers who want to provide analytics to external customers. With Power BI Embedded, you can securely embed reports. Customize the look to match your brand, also called white labeling, and manage user access using APIs. In this model, end users do not need individual Power BI Pro licenses. Instead, you pay for Azure embedded capacity based on usage. For example, if you build a sales application for clients, you can integrate interactive dashboards directly into that app. That's Power BI Embedded, perfect for integrating analytics into your own product. How to share a Power BI report to 10,000 users at a time. How can you share a Power BI report with 10,000 users at once? Let's break it down. First, direct sharing is not practical for large audiences. Instead, you should use scalable methods. Option 1. Publish the report as a Power BI app. Apps are designed for large-scale distribution. You can package dashboards and reports together and assign access to thousands of users at once. If you're sharing inside your organization, make sure all users have a Pro license. Or place the report in a Premium Capacity Workspace so users can view it without Pro licenses. Option 2. Use Premium Capacity. This is the best solution for enterprise-level sharing because it supports large audiences without requiring individual Pro licenses. Option 3. Power BI Embedded. If you want to share reports with external customers through your application or portal, embedding is the right approach. For 10,000 users, always plan security properly. Use row-level security to control who sees what data. So remember, for massive sharing, use apps with premium capacity or embedded solutions. How to create a Premium Workspace in Power BI. Let's learn how to create a Premium Workspace in Power BI. First, go to Power BI Service, app.powerbi.com, and click on Workspaces from the left panel. Next, click Create Workspace. Give your workspace a meaningful name and description. Now, to make it premium, go to the Workspace settings. Under the Premium or Advanced section, enable Dedicated Capacity. Select the available premium capacity, such as P1, P2, or Premium per user, depending on your organization's license. Once assigned, your workspace will show that premium capacity is enabled. Now you can publish reports and share them with users, even if they don't have Pro licenses, provided you're using premium capacity. Don't forget to add members and assign roles like viewer, member, or admin properly. And that's how you create a premium workspace in Power BI. Let's understand how workspaces are organized in Power BI. At the top level, we have Power BI Service, the cloud platform where everything lives. Inside Power BI Service, content is organized into workspaces. Workspaces act as containers. They store your datasets, reports, dashboards, and apps. Typically, organizations create separate workspaces for different departments, projects, or environments, like development, UAT, and Pro. Inside each workspace, you'll find datasets, the data models, reports, built from datasets, dashboards, visual summaries, apps, packaged content for sharing. Access is controlled through workspace roles: admin, member, contributor, and views. Using proper naming conventions and role assignments helps maintain governance and avoid confusion. So remember, Power BI is organized hierarchically: service, workspaces, datasets, reports, dashboards, apps. What are apps in Power BI? In Power BI, apps are a packaged way to share reports and dashboards with end users. Instead of sharing individual reports one by one, you can bundle dashboards, reports, and datasets together into a single app. Users get one-click access to all the content in one place. Apps are mainly used for large-scale distribution within an organization. With Power BI apps, you can deliver organized and structured content, control user access through permissions, update content centrally, ensure users always see the latest version. When you update the reports inside the workspace, the app can be republished, and users automatically get the updated version. For example, a finance department can create one finance app and distribute it to all business users. So remember, apps are the best way to distribute curated Power BI content to a large audience. Let's learn how to upload a PBIX file into Power BI Service. First, open your browser and go to app.powerbi.com. Log in using your organizational account. Next, click on Workspaces from the left navigation pane. Select the workspace where you want to publish your report. Inside the workspace, click on the Upload button. Choose your .bix file from your computer and click Open. Power BI Service will now upload and process the file. Once completed, you'll see both a dataset and a report created in that workspace. Make sure you have member or admin access to the workspace before uploading. And that's it. Your PBIX file is now live in Power BI Service and ready to share. Let's understand email subscription in PBI. Email subscription allows you to automatically receive reports or dashboards in your inbox on a scheduled basis. First, go to app.powerbi.com and open the report or dashboard you want to subscribe to. Next, click on the Subscribe button at the top. Now, configure your subscription settings. Choose how often you want to receive the email: daily, weekly, or at a custom schedule. Once everything is set, click Save and Close to activate the subscription. Power BI will automatically send a snapshot of the report along with a direct link to open it in Power BI Service. Make sure recipients have proper access and required licenses to view the report. That's how you automate report delivery using email subscriptions in Power BI. Let's understand deployment pipelines in PBI and how to move content from development to UAT and then to production. Deployment pipelines help you manage and promote Power BI content across different environments in a structured and controlled way. There are three main stages: development, where reports and datasets are created; UAT, or user acceptance testing, where content is tested; Production, where final content is shared with end users. This process reduces risk and ensures only validated reports reach business users. How to deploy from dev to UAT to production. First, go to Power BI Service and open Deployment Pipelines. Select or create a pipeline and assign workspaces to each stage, dev, UAT, and prod. Develop your reports in the Development Workspace. When ready, click Deploy to test to move content from development to UAT. After testing and validation in UAT, click Deploy to production to promote the content to the production workspace. You can also use deployment rules to change parameters like database connections between environments. So remember, deployment pipelines help you maintain separate environments, minimize deployment risks, keep dev, UAT, and prod aligned. That's how you streamline Power BI content promotion using deployment pipelines. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Deepthi Analytics. For more Power BI and data analyst tips and updates, let's grow together and master data step by step. See you in the next video.